Hey, welcome to my lab. Roughly 5 years ago I found out about the Tiny AVR 0 series microcontrollers, and this was the first project that I made just to experiment with them. They're pretty impressively low power. This one runs off of a CR2032 battery, and these are not known to be able to put out a lot of current, so this microcontroller is essentially sleeping most of the time. These LEDs look like they're fully lit, but they are actually flickering really quickly. And I take advantage of the EEPROM on the chip itself so that when I turn it off, the state is remembered. Ooh, what happened there? What happened there? We're debugging on camera now because that's what happens. I think there's a contact issue because the negative pad is actually just tinned on the other end, and sometimes the connection's not perfect with these cheap kind of strap type battery holders. There we go. Yeah, so there's an EEPROM in there, and I'm using it just to remember the state in case, well, I should first explain how this thing works. This is a hydration tracker, and what that means is exactly what's said on the tin. It tracks your hydration by you pushing a button each time you drink a glass of water, and that goes up to 8 because it's I don't know how true it is, but people say you should drink 8 cups of water a day. Really depends on how big your cup is. It could be 1 cup, but look at that. So I really like these LEDs, like the amber. It doesn't really come through. It comes more of a yellow on screen, but in person it's like a nice kind of amber glow. Reminds me of like a really old street light. But no, it was a fun project to do. I did it back in 2020, and yeah, October. I like to give instructions on the silk screen for inserting batteries because you never know with the people of today. With education falling, we're going to have to describe a lot of stuff on the silk screens. But yeah, this is cool. One mistake that I made, and it's a pretty big one. I was experimenting with cool shaped PCBs, and in this case acute angles are not fun with fiberglass. This is very sharp, so probably should have just filleted that and given it a smooth over. But as for a little project, I think it's pretty good. Anyways, thanks for coming by.